Welcome to today's podcast. Gurugram's commercial buildings have become the permanent cash cow for the developers. Its commercial buildings not only hide a serious maintenance crisis by having a high maintenance bill, zero transparency, and complete silence from developers. This isn't mismanagement, it's a structured system of exploitation. To decode this, I'm joined by Mr. Gyanesh Singh. Happy to be here, Harsh. Welcome, Mr. Singh. He has over 25 years of experience as a real estate and legal consultant in Gurugram.
Thank you for having me.
Mr. Singh, what exactly does common area maintenance mean in Gurugram's commercial projects?
It's the shared cost for services like security and maintenance. Maintenance covers lifts, HVAC, security, power backup, fire safety, parking, and housekeeping services. These services are charged against super area, which is double of carpet area, and are essential for business continuity and legal compliance.
So where does the problem begin?
The problem starts when maintenance becomes a profit model, not a service. Developers convert maintenance into a permanent income source and impose the charges against the super area instead of the common area.
And that's where dummy maintenance companies enter the picture. What exactly is a dummy maintenance company?
The shell entity used to siphon funds.
It's a company floated by the same developer. Different name, same people, same control. But owners are told it's an independent agency. Right?
Yes, independence exists only on paper, not in reality. Owners are forced to accept it as a condition of possession.
So there's no freedom of choice.
Absolutely none. Pay maintenance or face service disruption.
Why are developers so desperate to control maintenance?
Because sales revenue ends. Maintenance revenue never recurring, unregulated, and extremely profitable.
So maintenance becomes more lucrative than construction?
In many Gurugram projects, developers retain power long after selling units.
Yes.
And owners remain financially dependent.
Let's talk about inflated maintenance bills.
Inflation or cost justification is created through fake or exaggerated bills and expenses. Most employees shown on payroll but are found absent on the site.
Do you mean security guards or staffs that don't exist?
Yes, inflated manpower numbers are very common. Overpriced AMCs given to related vendors and owners never see proof. No bills, no vouchers, no audits.
So owners just keep paying?
Because questioning is discouraged.
Cash transactions are another red flag?
Vendors are paid cash. Records are manipulated.
What about GST and taxes?
Underreporting, suppression, and evasion are rampant.
And all this is funded by owners' money?
Yes. Owners unknowingly finance illegality.
That's alarming. Many owners don't know what areas they're paying for.
That ambiguity is intentional.
Developers. But maintenance is still charged on them.
Yes, without ownership or control.
And revenue from signage or telecom?
Often hidden from owners.
So owners pay, developers earn twice. Aren't owners entitled to audited accounts?
They are, but access is denied. No balance sheets, no vouchers.
What if owners form an association? Emails ignored, meetings refused, legitimacy of associations is questioned.
That's deliberate stonewalling to retain control and delay handover.
Is siphoning of funds really happening?
Yes, through related party transactions. Maintenance money is diverted elsewhere.
And legal remedies?
Developers avoid them deliberately. They rely on delays and owner fatigue.
So delay becomes strategy?
Exactly.
What should Gurugram commercial property owners do now?
Demand audited accounts with vouchers. Insist on association-controlled bank accounts.
And cash payments? Stop them completely.
Awareness is the first step to accountability.
Thank you for sharing your thoughts with my audience through your valuable insights.
Thank you, Harsh. You are welcome.